across different parts of Telangana, speaking to the people, hearing what they want from their netas. Today I've decided here, right before the Charminar, to bring in some accountability from these netas themselves. Representatives of the BRS, the BJP and the Congress joining me here. Prabhakar Rao, he's an MLC. We also have Ramchandra Rao, who's a former MLC, and Venkat, who's a current MLC of the Congress. I'm going to start with you, Venkat. You're the youngest in the lot here and the current ruling regime in Telangana. What are the promises that have been implemented so far? I've heard the people on the ground, they say nothing has been implemented except for one free bus ride.
See, promises which we have given are 6 guarantees. Out of 6, we have implemented our 5 guarantees.
5?
Yeah,
have
5
we
guarantees,
implemented
yeah.
all 5, sir?
No, not at all, not at all. Not
All false. No, not at all, not at all. People are very unhappy. Nothing has been done.
What has been implemented so far?
only bus ride, as we can say, but they are taking ride the people in other grounds.
You're given free bus ride, also taking them for a ride.
People who are speaking about our regime like we didn't implement anything. The people who are in 10 years power, the local BRS government and BJP government, they're like from past 10 years they are in power.
So
They didn't do anything.
what are the promises have you implemented?
See, 200 units free current, as well as we have started 3,500 like Indramma houses in every constituency, apart from free bus facility for women. At the same time, we have even we have given 30,000 jobs. 30,000 jobs.
Already?
Yeah, we have given the 30,000 jobs for unemployed youth.
So, okay, the Congress's justification, I've spoken to the other leaders also, they have come in only 6 months. Give them a little time. BRS has been here for 10 years. What has BRS done? Revant Reddy has said the power crisis, water crisis is all a gift given by the BRS.
Absolutely false. It is a wrong allegations. In the past 10 years, the people of Telangana have seen the golden era of. A lot of development has taken place.
Like, give us examples.
See, we have introduced a number of welfare schemes. At the same time, we have taken up development also. Welfare schemes you have seen never in the past, never in any state who dared to implement these schemes. I'll tell you the scheme, for the first and most important scheme is for farmers. We are giving 10,000 rupees incentive to the farmers, 12,000 rupees. And in the same way...
I like the way you corrected it.
Yes,
is the BJP and BRS together?
Yeah.
You corrected him.
Then why I corrected, I tell you, because the Congress promised 15,000. So they did not get 12,000 also, and they are not getting 15,000 also.
So BRS had promised 12,000, Congress promised 15,000.
10,000, what they have promised was 12,000. And we stick on to our promise 100%.
You made it 15,000.
Yeah, we will give 15,000. We stick on to our promises.
Is it just temptation?
We stick on to our promises 100%. We'll implement all our guarantees.
Is there a deadline?
हम बीजेपी तरह पब्लिक को जुमला नहीं कर रहे 15 लाख बोल के
15 लाख का छोड़ा रे यार उसके बाद पहला 2014 की बात अभी भी पकड़ के रखे हो मगर what to do people have good memory 15 लाख नहीं आया तो क्या दूसरा
It's
आएगा
not people's memory. See, it is more than 15 lakhs people have got through the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So you don't worry about it. 15 लाख जो है जिनको नहीं आया वो भी हमको वोट डाल रहे हैं जिनको आया वो भी
वोट किस पे डाल रहे हैं सिर्फ मोदी के चेहरे पे डाल रहे हैं या ये तो जनरल इलेक्शंस है डेवलपमेंट के दौर पे क्या दिया है बीजेपी ने क्या तेलंगाना के लिए बहुत दिया है तेलंगाना के 10 लाख करोड़ रुपए हमने इसके प्रगति के लिए हमने दिया है हमने हाईवेज दिया है हमने रोड बस दिया है यहाँ पर हमने एनटीपीसी का दिया है हमने रामगुंडा फर्टिलाइजर दिया है और बीआरएस के हर स्कीम में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का योगदान रहा है प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के साथ BRS was in power for 10 years. What has the BJP aided Telangana's progress?
हम बड़े मुश्किल से तेलंगाना हासिल किए हैं बड़े मुश्किल से उसके बाद जो है बीजेपी से जो है कोई हमको फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट नहीं मिला आप परेशान होंगे कि पूरे देश में लोग मेडिकल कॉलेजेस दिए लेकिन यहाँ पे तेलंगाना में कुछ नहीं दिए
फाइनली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू व्हाट आर द नेशनल इश्यूज दैट प्रिवेल आप नेशनल इलेक्शन है बीआरएस नेशनली क्या प्रॉमिस करता है आपके लोगों को स्टेट पार्टी है नेशनल एम्बिशंस है मगर उतना चला नहीं है
नहीं हमारा तो रीजनल पार्टी है अभी तो जो कन्वर्ट करने के लिए अभी सोच रहे हैं वो सब हमारा केसीआर साहब जो है उसके ऊपर वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं कि हमारा एजेंडा
व्हाट प्रॉमिसेस वुड यू गिव
सपोज इफ वी गेट गुड नंबर ऑफ सीट्स विल बी ए गुड प्लेयर्स देयर सो डिपेंड ऑन द सिचुएशन
just a game of chess or are you looking at development are you looking at vikas these are words of the BJP that I'm echoing are you looking at change
we have our agenda for the past 10 years you have seen we have successfully implemented so all the schemes which are implemented in the state will implement tomorrow.
I'd like to ask you the 3 schemes please think about it and tell me what are the 3 schemes the Congress are promising nationally.
See Yuva Nyay At the same time, जो रैतु ऋणमाफी जो है national wide to waive of the loan waiver.
Right.
At the same time, government jobs 30 लाख नौकरी हम देंगे.
Okay.
6
And
महीने
we heard Rahul Gandhi yesterday in Telangana has said he assures the youth their first job. All youths will get a guaranteed first job thanks to the Congress if they come to power. It's a promise now. Promises have been made in Karnataka. Promises have been made in Telangana. Implementation is a question.
We have implemented our promises. We have implemented our promises. We stick on to our promises.
You stick on to your word, but it needs to seep down to the ground. And I've spoken to the people. Largely, people have said they have not benefited from the promises. 6 months is a good time to test.
See, 3 months we were. After that, it has been election code. It was on.
So now you're busy with elections. So you're busy.
3 months during elections. During elections, we can't give, and we have even promises loan waiver. August 15th, we will do our loan
Now
waiver.
it's election season. Model code of conduct. You can't give guarantees. I'm not too sure. Okay, quickly, what are the promises? Modi guarantee versus Congress guarantee.
Our promise and our guarantee is to see that India becomes the third richest country, economically fast growing economy in the world. Now we are the fifth largest growing economy in the world.
Yeah.
And we are going to third. And the infrastructure, we are given a corruption-free government.
All the only opposition
I'll tell you.
netas, only opposition netas
I
are
will.
corrupt.
Yeah, maybe. I'll tell you one thing. There are only 74 airports when Congress party left the government, and we made it 150 airports.
But you're also accused of privatization.
No, but what do I do? This is our policy.
That's your policy. Okay.
See,
Privatization is policy. Privatization has also brought development with it.
See, it itself indicates very clearly, privatizing government sector, it shows that you can't provide even government jobs.
But in 70 years of the Congress power, what government sector has flourished?
See, जिस तरीके से जो 70 years में जो government sector था कांग्रेस के यहाँ पे, at least we used to provide government jobs to youth of Telangana or youth of the country, which in last 10 years of BJP government, they didn't even provide 20 lakh jobs because they don't have this public sector only. They're trying to privatize. और जो profit में चल LIC जैसे company जो
privatization does not mean it works with
the privatizations.
it also generates jobs.
See, if it's only working for Adani and Ambani.
Okay.
Only two people of the
Benefiting. They are the only ones who are becoming rich. All right, a quick word.
You will be surprised because of our policies, number of multinational companies have set up their industries and their offices here. Thereby, number of unemployed youths of Telangana and particularly surrounding of Hyderabad.
Still here.
And now,
IT sector is not booming in Telangana the way it was.
because of the Congress government, in 5 months, many companies are shifting to neighboring states because of improper planning of the Congress government. So therefore, it is a great loss to the state and great loss to the revenue also. Our agenda, as you asked me earlier also, our agenda is we will implement all the benefits which are given to the farmers. Then 10 lakhs rupees incentive to all the Dalits in the country. Then also Kalyana Lakshmi and Shadi Mubarak, irrespective of the caste and creed, will be extended to all to the Indians of our country.
All Indians of the country if the BRS comes into power. National ambitions for the BRS. KCR is known as the father of Telangana. That's what he's dubbed as by his supporters. And in fact, he's the only one who India today has not spoken to as yet.